All right, welcome, my friends. Awesome to have you in this super cool Crore Club celebrity interview from Startup Frat. My video is a little bit glitchy, as you can see. It's hanging just a little bit more than it was the last time around, but we'll just have to manage with it right now. Maybe something to do at my end. But hey, I was backstage with the celebrity of the day, and his video is doing fine, so I guess the main star of the evening is going to be amazing. Anyway, so this is a Crore Club celebrity interview from Startup Frat, where we have from the network marketing industry Crore Club earner from the digital space. And now we are really talking serious business with people earning eight figures using digital funnels in an industry where it is said that it can only be done offline, it can only be done slowly, it can only be done through peer to peer relationships. Okay. So let me bring in with lots of clapping our celebrity of the day, Mr. Akash Srivastav.
Hi,
Awesome,
coach.
awesome. Okay, while my video is finding its way, I'm just gonna bring in the people who are commenting. We've got Niranjan. Good evening. We got Malati. Good evening, all. Okay, we got Anuthra. We've got Dr. Kamal. We've got Jitendra. We've got Manju Dhawan. We've got awesome Uma Maheshwar, Mandar. Lovely, lovely. Bring it on. Seema Sani, amazing to have you. We've got Anshul Gandhi. Super cool to have you. Kangan Colonel, Rajat and Akash, you are rocking. Kamal Kotwal, video all good. We can hear you all good. Thank you for that. Anshul Gandhi, once again. Okay, great. A lot of people are really excited. Multiple comments are coming in. Lovely, lovely stuff. Seema Sani, great. Perfect. Well, the good news is it's the issue seems to be on my end, so I'll anyway be less on the camera, and we have Akash over here. So, real quick, for just for the sake of introductions, Akash has been a corporate employee doing part-time network marketing, and he was doing part-time network marketing, and in spite of working many years at the network marketing industry doing cold contacting and just the regular offline stuff, he was not growing that much, and his spurt of growth started when he went online. And after he started earning a lot of money, even probably far surpassing his pin, he discovered a few things about income distribution, and then he went and studied the income distribution of real influencers and how much of percentage of their earnings actually came from affiliate products. Talking about that and how how he was able to earn his Crore Club. So let us get started. Akash, let's just start with your origin story. How did you? Let's start from the very beginning. How were you drawn to the health industry in the first place?
Okay. So, coach, first of all, thank you for inviting me. I'd probably go Hindi and English both. I love talking in both the languages. So I guess that's fine with you and the
That's
audience
totally
as well. Yes. So, I mean, the interview seems to be like an entrepreneurship journey. Roadblocks to aane hi aane hai. So, but yeah, let's get going. So, coach, I got introduced to this particular industry way back in 2017-18. And the only reason I got introduced to this industry was that I wanted to get married. There was no other reason. No fitness freakness in me. It was just about getting married, and इसीलिए introduction हुआ. And of course, the first point of introduction was for me, if I could take the name, was Herbalife, because I wanted result and they were giving me results. So I thought I will use it and get some good results. And I really got good results. I got a good wife as well. So yeah, I mean that's how I got introduced to fitness industry, and that was my first interaction with it. Uske pehle, I mean, I've tried lots of things, but I mean, yeah, this one seems to be much simpler in nature. That's why I got the results. And then later on, both of us decided to get into the business side of it, realizing that it has got good potential and लोगों के results भी आते हैं. there's a lot of good income also, and we have seen people getting successful in this particular business. So we thought we will also get into it, and we'll try our luck. And as you say, the luck would have it. Things are a bit different than what we expected 8 years back. So yeah, that's how it is, coach.
Amazing, amazing. Okay, lovely stuff. All right. So let me so educate us about your earlier journey in network marketing when you were doing it part time with your office.
Okay. So, coach, are you able to hear me?
Yeah,
Sorry, I just feel a bit stuck.
yeah, I'm able to hear you. All right, man.
Hello.
I can hear you. All right, man.
I started my network marketing journey way back in 2018. Or both of us, both me and my wife, decided to get into this because opportunity अच्छी लग रही थी. And of course, we understood कि networking एक तरीका है बड़ी income generate करने का, because you keep connecting with people, you have a bigger organization, and then of course it results into big income and all those things. So the logic of it I understood very easily. And initial level पे सर job के साथ तो we started because it just felt कि हो जाएगा आसानी से. But as I went along and देखता रहा, so because since I was in a high paying job, it became very difficult later on my career to manage both the things. So yeah,
Yeah.
यही actually sir, starting पे it was nice. It felt very nice, but the taste of the journey did not remain the same as I would say in the later half. A bit different than what I expected it to
Okay.
be.
All right. So, what is it that you realized about supplement selling? So, especially to you with the company which is to do with selling health supplements. What did you realize about health supplements? How does it have to do with the consumer and also to the distributor? Because the distributor is the steward of the relationship. The distributor is the trustee of the relationship. Relationship of the consumer maybe with the company because the company is the one supplying the product, but at the end of the day the distributor is in charge of the relationship. So what were the things that you realized about some things that could be optimized better in that relationship?
Okay. Coach, it's a very interesting question. Reason being, जैसा आपने बोला कि the supplement industry has got two relationships, one with the consumer, end consumer, the one who is consuming it, and the other with the distributor. What I realized over the years, and my experience said that being in direct selling or multi-level marketing, or for that matter network marketing as anyone would put it, it's more, let's put it this way, associate or distributor centric and not customer centric. Because being an MBA, we were always told in network marketing that MBAs think they know everything, which I sometimes in the hindsight believe that yes, we do feel that we know everything. But I did realize, coach, that ये जो industry है, it has got, lots of benefits, of course, benefits in terms of that it's giving people health results very easily, but there are very big loopholes as well. And if I had to talk about loopholes specifically in terms of my own experience, coach, something I realized was कि and एक narrative था, and this narrative actually got on to me because of one of my cousins who is a doctor with AIMS, and he had raised this question, और बहुत ही specific question था कि because what we were taught is कि home food में nutrition की कमी है, that is why supplements are required, and this was a very basic narrative that we all learned throughout the trainings and everything, यही होता है. But then a single question that he asked is कि अगर ऐसा होता है तो घर के खाने से बाकी लोगों को प्रॉब्लम्स क्यों नहीं होती और किसी एक को होती है. So this was the kind of question that I had no answer to. Usually I have answers to all the question in my life, but ये जो question उन्होंने पूछा, that got me thinking कि यार okay, doctor is asking this kind of a question. So I said बात तो सही है, because he was like कि बॉस अगर घर के खाने नमक तेज करूंगा तो सबको नमक तेज पता चलेगा ना. तो why is it that one of the family member is feeling उसको प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है बट बाकी लोगों को नहीं हो रहा है? That means the food might not be the villain here, which actually got me thinking कि यार बात तो शायद सही बोल रहे हैं. So that was one thing which I realized कि probably शायद the first line of action has to be the body, not the food. And that is where I had a discussion with him, a long discussion with him, of course you as well. And that is where the system came into picture, wherein I thought that there has to be a system which makes people realize that there are your body is self capable of healing itself, provided you allow it to do so. So ये सर पहला पॉइंट था जो सप्लीमेंट इंडस्ट्री का क्वेश्चन आया था मेरे पास, आई मीन इन टर्म्स ऑफ एंड कंज्यूमर्स, ऐसा क्यों होता है. एंड the second which I realized was, which was also actually raised by him, because I'm the product fan, I would say. Late ke photo khichana and all those things, everything was happening with me. But he was the one who asked me this question, ki are health coaches really health coaches, or are they product oriented more in nature? I would not blame any associate or any coach from any company or any industry, because सर जैसा सिखाया जाता है वैसा सीखते हैं. They are not wrong. But हमको भी वही चीज सिखाई गई कि if somebody has any problem, all you have to do is to recommend the product. तो my agenda was कि मेरा वॉल्यूम हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है. उसका प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, बट उसका प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो रहा है, बट बिगर एजेंडा इज कि मेरा वॉल्यूम हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है. एंड दैट रियली गॉट मी थिंकिंग कि यार maybe this word health coach is a very, how do you say, vaguely used term जो हर कोई यूज कर लेता है, which in itself is probably not right, because health जो है सर, it's a very very personal thing for everyone. और ये मैं क्यों बोल सकता हूँ, because I was also selling in the same boat, that I only knew about product. Any problem I would recommend a product, other problem I'll again recommend a product, any other problem I'll again recommend a product, which मेरे कंज्यूमर से भी ऐसा रिएक्शन दिखा रहे थे कि यार हर बार सर आप कोई प्रोडक्ट रेकमेंड कर देते हैं, व्हाई डोंट यू गिव मी अ प्रॉपर सॉल्यूशन, unless until I came across, of course, your method of doing business, which was having my own hot samosa or information product, and that really changed the game. तो कुछ loopholes तो हैं इंडस्ट्री के अंदर, and the best part is we have the solution as well. That is the most important thing, because loopholes के साथ solution भी निकलते हैं. So I think we are good right now, since problem है तो solution भी है.
So how easy or difficult is it for a person to adjust emotionally also, because we are also emotionally tied to our companies and our appliance, like I'm emotionally tied to my appliance for sure. So how easy or difficult is it was it for you to kind of disconnect and have one more layer and say, okay, this is going to be the main layer, education is going to be the main layer rather than the product?
It's a very interesting question and a very very deep question. Reason being, sir, I think it took me 5 to 6 years just to tell my sponsors that, boss, I need to do what I really want to do, not sell products. And sir, कैसा है? I mean, network marketing is the industry is like that. The relationship is very deep. It is not just limited to, because people are talking about their insecurities, and आप अपनी insecurities हर किसी से बात नहीं करते. You do talk about it with your senior coaches or sponsors or whatever it is. तो सर connection बहुत deep बन जाता है. ये है. But at the end of the day, coach, there is a question that needs to be asked. अगर आप, what is business? आप business करने आए थे. What is business? Business is only and only about solving consumers' problem. It is nothing else. ये हमारा story होता ही नहीं है, coach. It is all about कि जो सामने वाला consumer है उसका problem solve हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है. Everything has to happen for him or her. अपने लिए तो कुछ होता ही नहीं है इसके अंदर. So the question that needs to be asked कि जिस चीज के लिए आप business करने उतरे थे वो actually कर रहे हो क्या? I mean, that was the question I asked myself. It was as simple as that. And somehow शायद पहले ही पूछ लेना चाहिए था. थोड़ी हिम्मत नहीं हुई, क्योंकि लगा कि स्पॉन्सर बुरा मान जाएंगे और गुस्सा हो जाएंगे. हालांकि बुरा तो बाद में भी मान गए, but it was just coach inner calling. And at a point of time जहां पे मैंने कोच ये डिसीजन लिया था, इट वॉजंट जस्ट अबाउट मी एंड माई मिशन. It was also more about the financial situation that I was going through, because as you would know, I had lost a lot of the huge chunk of money of my money got in one of the ventures that I invested. तो उस चक्कर में सर ऑल माई मतलब मैंने अपनी लाइफ का सब वर्स्ट फाइनेंशियल टाइम देखा लास्ट ईयर. वर्स्ट, आई मीन इट रियली, मैं अपनी लाइफ में कभी नहीं बोलता कि मैं डिप्रेशन एंजाइटी में जा सकता हूँ. आई वुड स्टॉप टॉकिंग टू पीपल. आई मीन आई एम द लास्ट पर्सन जो ये काम करता कभी लाइफ में. बट इट हैपेंड लास्ट ईयर. आई रियली गॉट इनटू अ शेल. मैंने किसी से बात करना बंद कर दिया. आई लॉस्ट माई हेल्थ रिजल्ट. आई गॉट इनटू डिप्रेशन. आई हैड टू लीव पुणे सिटी बिकॉज आई जस्ट डिडंट वांट टू बी देयर. मेरे को किसी से बात ही नहीं करनी थी. इट गॉट सो वर्स बिकॉज आई रियलाइज कि मेरे इतने साल की जो इनकम थी, इतना साल का जो मैंने पैसा कमाया था, अचानक से मेरे बैंक अकाउंट से गायब हो गया. तो सर सेकेंड चीज जो वहां पे रियलाइज हुई ना, विच वॉज आई थिंक मोर ऑफ अ मूविंग पॉइंट फॉर मी, वॉज एवरीबडी इन द इंडस्ट्री वॉज इंटरेस्टेड इन कि मेरा वॉल्यूम हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा. नोबडी केयर्ड अबाउट कि मेरे अकाउंट में पैसा है कि नहीं. एंड दैट रियली गॉट मी एजिटेटेड. आई सेड बॉस ये तो नहीं होना चाहिए. योर हैट, तुम इफ यू आर माई केयर टेकर, बस नोबडी केयर्स अबाउट कि मेरा वॉल्यूम कितना हो रहा है आउटसाइड इन द मार्केट. घर का आटा लेने जाएंगे, चावल लेने जाएंगे, नोबडी गिव्स डैम कि तुम कौन से पिन पे खड़े हो. घर के अंदर पैसा है कि नहीं, दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग कोच, विच एक्चुअली गेव मी अ बिगर पिक्चर एज वेल कि मैं अकेला नहीं हूं इस बोट में. मे बी आई एम द वन हु इज स्पीकिंग आउट. मे बी आई एम द वन हु इज सो मच एजुकेटेड. मैं एक अच्छे एमबीए कॉलेज से आता हूं, मैंने जॉब किया, तो मे बी आई एम स्मार्ट एनफ टू गिव अ शॉट टू अनदर करियर वंस अगेन. नॉट मेनी आर लाइक दैट कोच इंडस्ट्री के अंदर. वो सब, एंड राइट और रॉन्ग, बट वो सब इस उम्मीद से बैठे कि किसी दिन तो उनका कोई तो तारा चमकेगा एंड सडनली एवरीथिंग वुड अच्छा हो जाएगा. But that is where I realized कोच कि I need to take everything in my own hand. और जब फैमिली की बात आती है कोच, तो फिर everything else has to stand behind it. फिर तो मुझे बोलना ही था किसी भी हालत. It's time. I just need to do what I need. As simple as that. I mean, what else? नहीं बसता तो कोच करना ही पड़ता है. Can you hear me, coach? I think I'm stuck. I feel I'm stuck.
Loud and clear, brother.
But let
So
me know.
real quick, before we go to the next question, I'd just like to quickly recognize all the people who are actively commenting. We've got Makhan Lal Sikar, Hari Prakash ji, Commander Uma, we've got Kamal Kotwal, we've got Superb Right, Roadblocks is equal to success, Sukun Samaj, good evening. Kamal Pathania, awesome to see you both live, amazing. Tiku Rawate is here. Perfect. We've got Poonam, Poonam Kharole, great. Perfect. Kamal Kotwal is saying we can hear you. All right, amazing. Thank you, thank you. Leaders Connect Hub, nice to see you here. Akash, awesome. We got Hemant, Dulera, good evening. We got Kamal Pathania, good evening. Anshul Gandhi, proud of you, Akash sir, amazing. We got Seema Saini holding up a trophy. We've got Sarita Patania saying amazing. Sony Singh, all right. Commander Uma is saying that is so true. First line of action is the body. Poonam Khattar is saying amazing, Akash sir. Beautiful, beautiful. Kamal Kotwal makes total sense. Body is capable to self-heal in the right conditions. Commander Uma, body needs to be taken care first. Makhanlal Sikar, very nice. I wish you both a good future. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Noble idea of helping gets marred by the forced chasing of volume. Kya baat hai? Very well said. Very well said. We've got the Shashikant, amazing. God bless you and your family. Amazing, amazing. Colonel Daljit Rupal. Yes, client wants a solution, not the product. It is the emotion of the client which needs to be given adequate food for satisfaction. Yes, I agree. Distributor is the steward of the relationship. Business ID is solving the problem. Business is solving the problem of people. Malti is saying that's very plain and encouraging as well. Transform with Saloni is saying solving consumers' problem. That is so true. Hari Prakash, that is true, dear Akash. Okay, the comments are just going on coming. I will just come back to the comments in just a second. But before that, let me go to the next one. So, when you started moving away from the core concepts and started focusing on your own digital product, Like, first of all, you are in a very bad situation. Speaking of financially, what were some of the fears that you were facing? I'm sure it must have been a big fear. Ki boss, what's going to happen to me? I'm moving away from the big ecosystem. A lot of people, including probably your upline, may not have agreed with you. So, what was some of the fears that you were facing at that point?
Uh, Thank you, coach, for that question. Again, a very deep question indeed. जब, I mean, when that situation came and when I decided कि अभी अपने पे फोकस करना है, of course there is a sense of, as you would say in the language, FOMO, fear of missing out. कि बॉस आप जो कर रहे थे, we have seen people succeeding on stage and getting those luxurious cars and holidays and etc etc. आप उसको छोड़ के जा रहे हो, एंड कुछ डर बहुत लग रहा था. डर इस बात पे लग रहा था कि it was a dream that me and my wife had seen together. We felt कि हम इसमें कुछ बड़ा करेंगे. But कैसा होता है कोच, जब हम कोई चीज स्टार्ट करते हैं, एंड दिस इज, आई थिंक, आई मीन lot of people are entrepreneurs here, so they would realize this thing, कि जब आप शुरुआत करते हैं तो आपको फील होता है कि आप शायद किसी चीज के लिए काम कर रहे हैं, बट एज यू ग्रो इनटू द जर्नी एंड इफ यू आर एबल टू स्टिक अराउंड 8 years like I have, तो आपको ये रियलाइज होता है कि मे बी यू आर नॉट चेजिंग दिस थिंग, मे बी यू आर चेजिंग समथिंग एल्स, आपको पता ही नहीं था इस चीज के बारे में. पता ही नहीं था इस चीज के बारे में. तो कोच, इनिशियली वी थॉट कि हमको भी वो मर्सिडीज चाहिए, हमको भी वो बड़ी गाड़ी चाहिए. एंड आई टेल अ वेरी फनी इंसिडेंट ओवर हियर, दैट देयर वाज दिस इवनिंग वेयर मेरे जो मेंटोर थे, उनकी मर्सिडीज आई हैड ड्रिवन फ्रॉम मुंबई टू पुणे, and he asked me, why don't you drive it? I said, okay, I'll drive it. The time I got into, of course, being a very nice car, C-Class, it's a very nice car, but I realized something, coach. I realized nobody except me gives a shit about कि मैं कौन सी गाड़ी चला रहा हूँ. Nobody cares. And this was my biggest thing that got out of my money. ऐसा किसी को भी फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा है यार यहाँ पे. Everybody is driving, सब अपनी जिंदगी में बिजी है. Nobody cares कि मेरे कौन सी गाड़ी है. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे कोच, ये चीज समझ में आया कि ये मेरी सेटिस्फैक्शन है, ये किसी और को मुझे दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं है, किसी और को मुझे बताने की जरूरत नहीं है कि मैं ये क्यों कर रहा हूँ, किस लिए कर रहा हूँ.
Artificial goals are imposed upon people and then they are made to do things to achieve those artificial goals.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, there's some materialistic goal, and I realized the time you try it, you will forget it कि यार ये तो important था ही नहीं किसी भी पॉइंट पे. मे बी आई वाज थिंकिंग कि ये इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंड जब भी सर हमने डिसाइड किया ना छोड़ने के लिए, तो ऑफ कोर्स देयर वाज दिस सेंस कि यार पैसे उतने बनेंगे कि नहीं लाइफ के अंदर. दैट वाज द बिगेस्ट थिंग, बिकॉज पैसा वो नंबर तो ऑफ कोर्स है, बट ये जो मटेरियलिस्टिक गोल थे कि यार हम फॉरेन ट्रैवल कर पाएंगे क्या, हम गाड़ी ले पाएंगे क्या, ये खत्म हो गया. इसका डर खत्म हो गया था, बिकॉज ये तो हमने देख लिया अपने आंखों से, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता किसी को. आई हैव बीन टू 10 to 12 countries myself. Nobody gives a shit कि तुम किधर घूम के आए, किधर घूम के नहीं आए. अगर मैं उनकी केयर कर रहा हूँ तो they are there for me. अगर मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ तो मेरे कितने भी बड़े बड़े रिकॉग्निशन है, ये वो है, nobody cares कुछ. तो that is where we realize कि यार हमको हमारा मनी मेकिंग मशीन रखना है. That is the most important thing, because पैसा बनना has to be the result of the impact that I am creating in the market, not based on the number of products that I can sell. And that डर तो था कोच उस टाइम पर कि होगा कि नहीं होगा, but and I would categorically thank you for your avatar launch program, that L1 hot samosa product, that really gave me the confidence कि बॉस मेरा पर्सनल ब्रांड है ना, तो I can build it right from anywhere I want. And this is exactly what happened. From the worst months, I just scored my best month last month. तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली कोच जर्नी बदल गई. एंड आप जब भी, आई मीन सी, नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग इंडस्ट्री का कैसा है कोच, दैट एनवायरनमेंट मेक्स यू बिलीव दैट अगर आप कुछ और नहीं करोगे तो अगर आप ये नहीं करोगे कुछ और करोगे तो बेसिकली यू आर मेकिंग अ मिस्टेक, विच ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग पहले तो शायद मैं हाँ में हाँ मिलाता, पर अब तो नहीं मिला सकता, बिकॉज आई हैव डन इट. एंड दैट इज वेयर आई रियलाइज, अगर and in fact, and people those who want to do network marketing as well, I'm not saying कि गलत है या सही है, अगर आपका पर्सनल ब्रांड नहीं है तो सर्वाइवल इज द लास्ट थिंग जो आप इमेजिन कर सकते हो, बिकॉज सर्वाइव नहीं करोगे तो एक्सेल का तो सवाल ही पैदा होगा। एंड दैट इज वेयर कोच योर हॉट समोसा प्रोडक्ट और L1 मॉडल रियली किल्ड इट। मतलब वो पर्सनल ब्रांड बनाने का इतना मैजिकल, यहाँ पे सर जितने लोग कॉर्नर्स में से कई सारे मेरे मतलब मेंटीज है जिनको मैं मेंटोर कर रहा हूँ, जिनको मैं कोच कर रहा हूँ, यू वुड सी द रिजल्ट ऑन माय यूट्यूब चैनल। और जाके आप सिर्फ एंथुसियाज्म देखो ग्रुप के अंदर, आपको पता चलेगा यार, जस्ट बिकॉज आई हैड सो मच कन्विक्शन इन व्हाट यू टॉट मी कि अपना मॉडल कैसे डेवलप करना चाहिए एंड हाउ टू एग्जीक्यूट इट, एंड द टाइम आई एग्जीक्यूटेड इट, आई मीन द रियल मैजिक हैपेंड। वो जो बात बोलते हैं ना कोच, रेस्पेक्ट मिलनी चाहिए सामने वाले से, सामने वाले ने आपकी इज्जत करनी चाहिए, ये सारी चीजें नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग में प्रॉमिस की गई थी और हाथ से चली गई थी। आज ये सारी का प्राउडली से ये सारी चीजें मेरे पास, प्राउडली से, ऑफ कोर्स आई एम मेकिंग मनी, देयर इज नो डिनाइंग दैट फैक्ट।
All right, before we go ahead to the next question, facts of this business solution more important than volume. Rajendra ji, we've got Bharti Karn, amazing. We've got Poonam Khattar saying you're great, sir. Awesome, awesome. We've got more power to both of you. AG Radhanpura. We've got Niranjan, super. Yashwant Sinha, great to have you. Champion Akash sir, very true. Leaders Corporate Hub. Amazing, amazing. We've got Pratima Singh, Colonel Daljit Rupal. Akash doesn't seem to be having any fears at all. Yes, yes, but he has been through the fears. Proud of you, Akash sir, as a mentor. Leaders Connect Hub is saying very correct. It's a story about taking bold decisions. Amazing, Akash. Leaders Connect Hub. Showing how much vacation you spend, how much vacation or how much vehicle or car you have. Yes. That is not the game. The name is connection and really helping people. It's a mind game. Proud of you, Akash, as a mentor for me. Great. Leaders Connect Hub. Kaldaljit, financial education realized in the true sense. Yes. Transform with Saloni. Amazing progress. Congratulations. Nutrition short. Said well said, sir. Rajendra Paliwal. Wrong narrative. ये नहीं तो कुछ भी नहीं. Exactly, very wrong narrative. Umameshwar Chand, we've got Vandana, lovely. We've got Zahir Ahmad Ansari saying super. Niranjan Baisla super se bhi upar. We've got, oh my god, comments are just going on coming. I will come back to the comments in just a second. So we've got Manda Reddy saying yes, awesome. Okay, let me see if my camera can just give me a little bit support. Okay, my camera is still stuck. But yeah, let's go back to the question, which is, hey man, now that so now this kind of emotional or mental dependency is being created by this, let's say, supplement pushing culture, and we've analyzed the income levels of top influencers, whether they are inside network marketing, outside network marketing. Actually, a minority of their income actually comes from the product. Majority of their income comes from information products. But today, a normal coach or a normal networker will be very scared, and he may think that if I leave or if I act funny, then I will not be able to survive outside. I'll fail. And not only that, I've built out this network. And what's going to happen to this network? They're going to take away this network from me. And a lot of this fear is there. Even other top leaders have come on this podcast and they've said I had to face that. And many had to sacrifice their networks and their income in order to strike out for themselves. So what is the situation over there?
Coach, I guess I lost you a bit in between because I think your voice got stuck.
Okay. Like people are scared of two things. I will not be able to survive outside. And second, obviously, I built this network. It's going to be taken away from me. So, like, what about the fears that normal coaches have that they can't perform then outside?
Oh, okay. So, coach, एक तो कैसा है, one of the key things in network marketing or direct selling, whatever is happening is, since अगर आपका product, so the basic market में game क्या चल रहा है, and ये because being an ex Herbalifer, I can easily say this very clearly. I can say this. मेरा सबसे बड़ा competition is not any other company but the लाइफर जो बैठा हुआ है, and I'll tell you why. What is happening in the market is when everybody is selling the same solution, or everybody is selling, not solution, let's put it this way, everybody is selling the same product, right? The only way to compete is to give more discounts. I mean, what other value would you add? And that is where the market becomes dirty. Because let's say, so I mean, in the network marketing, everybody knows that there is a way to get your customer into the system, which is via different discount percentages. And then there are lots and lots of, how do you say, unethical things are happening in the market where your customers are being taken away because somebody else is offering a higher discount. And
No, I'm talking about
maybe
network being taken away by your company if they do not support like whatever you're doing and things like that.
Coach, can you hear me? I feel I'm a bit stuck. Is my voice
Yeah, I
audible?
lost you a little bit over there. Yeah.
Yeah. So coach, मैं वही बता रहा हूँ. The fear that really that exists is that company's brand is bigger than yours. So that is where the biggest problem lies. Because now what happens, and believe me, coach, I am a person who is very well educated. I was a person who was making more than 50 lakh in my job. मेरे को ऐसा लगने लग गया था that my existence is only there because ये product है. Otherwise मैं इसको छोड़ के चला जाऊंगा तो nobody would ask me. वो कोई को पूछेगा ही नहीं कोई मैं कौन हूं, क्या करता हूं, किस लिए करता हूं. Nobody. ये सबसे बड़ा डर है कि आइडेंटिटी खत्म हो जाएगी. आइडेंटिटी प्रोडक्ट या ब्रांड के साथ कंप्लीटली एसोसिएटेड है. तो अगर मैं उस एनवायरमेंट से बाहर निकल गया, देन आई बिकम अ नोबडी सडनली. एंड सेकेंड कोच, जो डर लगता है, एक तो ऑफ कोर्स देयर आर पीपल हु हैव स्पेंट लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ इयर्स इन यू नो लाइक थिंकिंग कि यार कभी ना कभी तो कुछ बड़ा हो जाएगा. एंड ऑफ कोर्स दे आर वर्किंग हार्ड इन देयर ओन सेंस, दे आर वर्किंग हार्ड. तो अभी तो कैसा है सर, ये जितने भी, क्योंकि आपको पता है इफ यू आर इन नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग और डायरेक्ट सेलिंग, तो एवरीबॉडी इज रेजिंग क्वेश्चंस अराउंड यू ना, कि आप तो यू नो प्रोडक्ट बेचने वाले हो, आप तो ये करने वाले हो, आप तो वो करने वाले हो. तो आपके अंदर एक फीलिंग है दूसरों को प्रूव करके दिखाने की. क्विट कर लोगे, अगर आप क्विट कर लोगे तो कोच फिर प्रूव करने का तो सवाल ही खत्म हो गया. बिकॉज नाउ यू विल बी कॉल्ड अ क्विटर. पहले तो आप बहुत बोल रहे थे कि यार आपसे ये हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा, अब आपसे हो नहीं पा रहा है. तो ये सर सेकंड फियर है. एंड दैट इज व्हाई आई सेड कि होता क्या है कोच, कि द काइंड ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट वो क्रिएट होता है, rather than feeling कि आप अपनी लाइफ में एक्सेल करेंगे, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम यू आर फाइटिंग विद द फैक्ट कि आपको किसी को प्रूव करके दिखाना है कि आप कितने अच्छे हैं, विच इज द वर्स्ट फीलिंग फॉर एन एंटरप्रेन्योर. बिकॉज जॉब में भी तो आप यही कर रहे थे, तो फिर बिजनेस में भी यही करोगे, तो फिर जॉब और बिजनेस में फर्क क्या रहेगा? बिजनेस में मैं आया था ये सोच के कि मेरे को फ्रीडम मिलेगा, आई हैव दिस मेंटल पीस रहेगा मेरे को. व्हाई डू आई नीड टू प्रूव टू एनीवन हाउ गुड आई एम? और अगर इसी प्रेशर से मैं काम कर रहा हूं कोच, तो फिर छोड़ने में तो मुझे डर लगेगा ना, क्योंकि अगर छोड़ दिया तो अब तो प्रूव करने का सवाल ही पैदा नहीं हुआ. अब तो और ज्यादा टॉन्ट मिलने वाले हैं मार्केट से मुझे. तो दो चीजें हैं कोच. वन इज खुद का सेल्फ बिलीव खत्म हो गया है कि मेरी आइडेंटिटी एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करती अगर ये कंपनी या प्रोडक्ट एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती. ये नंबर वन है. एंड नंबर टू इज लोग क्या बोलेंगे अगर मैं छोड़ दूंगा तो. ये दो चीजें सबसे बड़ा डर है कोच. दैट इज इट कोच. नहीं, तीसरा तो पीपल आर स्मार्ट इनफ टू टेक देयर ओन डिसीजंस आई गेस.
तो ये जो आपने इनकम लेवल अचीव किया है, होपफुली दिस ईयर, दिस कैलेंडर ईयर, यू गोना क्रैक just 1 crore in this year itself. बाकी को तो आपकी पुरानी जर्नी रही है. But this income level you can also do using the hybrid model inside your company. Yes.
100%.
Perfect. Okay.
100%.
So, like, what are the opportunities now for coaches and seekers? Like, what all can they do? There are some people who say, "Okay, I'm sick of it. I want to make the money. I don't care about the company." And there are some people who say, "I want to make the money. I want to stay with my LOS." Like I was like that because like my upline had done so much for me. So,
Correct.
what all are the different combinations possible for a person who wants to break out and who are already who are feeling restricted within the normal traditional system.
Great, coach. So just for everyone जो लोग सुन रहे हैं इस इंटरव्यू को या देख रहे हैं इस इंटरव्यू को, I mean, I have been able to do both the things. I have been able to change the pin using the same system, and then I've decided that I don't want to sell products. So first thing I would like to clarify to everyone that I am not against any company or something. मेरे को किसी से दुश्मनी नहीं है. It is just that कि अगर आप नेटवर्किंग में काम करते भी हैं तो यू आर नॉट रॉन्ग बाय एनी मींस, और आप नहीं भी करना चाहते देन आल्सो यू आर नॉट रॉन्ग. इधर में आपका चॉइस है, आपका लाइफ है. बट व्हाट आई वुड से सर, अगर आपको एक्सेल करना है, इफ यू वांट टू बी इन अ डिजिटल वर्ल्ड, आप रियली आप, क्योंकि अभी लेट्स से बिकॉज मैं हर्बल लाइफ से आया था तो आई कुड टॉक अबाउट लॉट अबाउट दैट फील्ड. डिफरेंट एराज आते हैं कोच. आई मीन द फर्स्ट एरा जो आया था हर्बल लाइफ का, वेरी इट स्टार्टेड वाज अवेयरनेस नहीं था लोगों को सप्लीमेंट के बारे में, तो लोग घर घर जाके कैंप्स करते थे, ये सब करते थे, अवेयरनेस फैलाया. Then 2015 onwards there was this method called UMS came, wherein the community environment came into picture. कि कम्युनिटी है तो ज्यादा बेटर रिजल्ट आएगा, ज्यादा अच्छा आएगा, सब लोग साथ में करेंगे, चैलेंजेस करेंगे, ये सब. नाउ वी आर इनटू द थर्ड एरा. द थर्ड एरा इज अबाउट पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग कोच. रीजन बीइंग अभी तो सेम, सो एंड एनी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर हु इज लिसनिंग टू दिस वीडियो वुड बेसिकली एग्री विद मी. कोई भी कंज्यूमर जो आपके सामने आता है, ही और शी ऑलरेडी नोस कि वो प्रोडक्ट कौन सा है. उसने कभी ना कभी तो अपनी लाइफ में ऑलरेडी यूज कर लिया उस चीज को. उसी के खुद के फोन में 4, 5, 10 लोग हैं जो ऑलरेडी वो खुद के घर में जो लोग हैं जो प्रोडक्ट दे रहे हैं. तो अब तो आप कम्युनिटी वाला या डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर लेवल का गेम खेल नहीं सकते, बिकॉज आपका सर्वाइवल ही नहीं रहेगा. क्योंकि आप कोच कर क्या रहे हैं, व्हाट आर यू ट्राइंग टू डू. अगर आप नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग भी कर रहे हैं फॉर दैट मैटर, तो आप यू आर ट्राइंग टू बिल्ड अ लाइफ लॉन्ग बिजनेस. आप ऐसा बिजनेस खड़ा करने की कोशिश करें जिससे आपकी जनरेशंस को पैसा मिलेगा. बट अगर बिजनेस बेस ही बिल्कुल वीक है तो यू माइट एज वेल क्वालिफाई विद द पिन्स, बट इनकम तो मैच करेगा नहीं. एंड यू ऑलवेज दिस फियर इन योर माइंड कि बॉस ये बिजनेस कभी भी गिर जाएगा. तो the best part of building a personal brand, and this is the era where you build a personal brand. You see, even if I could take some names, right? I will not exactly naam nahi lunga, but when I say Herbalife, everybody knows I'm talking about Mr. Singh, because one name everybody knows. अगर मैं Amazon बोलता हूँ तो जेफ बेजोस, अगर मैं Facebook बोलता हूँ तो मार्क जकरबर्ग, अगर मैं Microsoft बोलता हूँ तो बिल गेट्स. Everybody has one single brand. एक पर्सन है जिसने वो मूवमेंट को चालू किया एंड दैट पर्सनल ब्रांड दूसरों के ऊपर से जीत गया. ये एरा कोच नेटवर्क मार्केटर्स के लिए पर्सनल ब्रांड बनाने का है. अगर आप पर्सनल ब्रांड बना लेते हैं तो देयर इज लॉट ऑफ ट्रस्ट इन द मार्केट एंड भीड़ में आप अलग दिखाई पड़ेंगे. योर मॉडल व्हाट एवर यू टीच अस, बेसिकली जो हॉट समोसा प्रोडक्ट है, राइट, द फ्रंट एंड इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोडक्ट इज द इजीएस्ट वे टू बिल्ड योर पर्सनल ब्रांड. रीजन बीइंग यू गेट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपका इंटेंशन लोगों को प्रोडक्ट सेल करने का है नहीं. यू आर मोर इंटरेस्टेड इन देयर रिजल्ट रादर देन सेलिंग योर प्रोडक्ट, क्योंकि प्रोडक्ट तो एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता है बीच में. यू आर मोर इंटरेस्टेड इन सेलिंग, गिविंग पीपल रिजल्ट. एंड अगर आप टेस्टिमोनीज भी देखोगे तो वो भी ऐसी निकल के आती है कि सो जेन्युइन, सो प्योर हार्टेड टेस्टिमोनीज, बिकॉज उनको भी आपका इंटेंशन पता है, आपको भी उनका इंटेंशन पता है. बोथ आर बेसिकली एक ही लेवल पे चल रहे हैं. तो कोच, अगर आप नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग करना चाहते हो या नहीं करना चाहते हो, ईदर वे यू नीड टू हैव एन इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोडक्ट जो एक्चुअली लोगों को सही तरीके से सिस्टम के थ्रू इंफॉर्मेशन दे और उनका रिजल्ट निकलवाए. एंड देन द वर्ड सप्लीमेंट इटसेल्फ कम्स, कि वो मेन के बाद आएगा. द वर्ड सप्लीमेंट तो मीनिंग वही होता है ना. देन व्हेन यू रिकमेंड सप्लीमेंट टू people are going to buy not because the company is great, because it is you who is recommending them, and they would never ever leave you, and that is where you build a lifelong sustainable business. And अगर आपको नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग नहीं करनी है इन केस में, तो तब तो पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग उससे ज्यादा बेटर कुछ है ही नहीं. फिर तो आपको अपने ही नाम पे खेलना है सारा का सारा गेम, फिर तो कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं बचा. तो कोच, पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग इज द डील. एज ऑफ टुडे पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग इज द डील.
Amazing. Quick, we will just go for people who are commenting. You are great, Akash sir. Harshital Rajiv is saying congratulations to Akash. We've got 1 second. We've got Ranu Dhram Vanshi. Wow, Sarji. We've got Makanlal saying very, very good. We've got Superb Akaji Hemant Dulera. We've got Sandeep Mahale. Amazing. Congratulations, Akash sir. Dash Shashikant. Zabardast sir. Mandar. Lovely. You found your own self. Really commendable. Sumit Paul is saying, I just came back home. I'll go through the recording again. I'm sure this must be a blockbuster podcast. Rajendra ji, super clarity on facts. Uma Maheshwar. True blockbuster. Net issue. Okay, no worries. It was a different time and systems were right. Now slavery is the name of the system. Amazing. Awesome. Awesome. Great. Mandar. Zahir is saying fear of ID block by the company due to upline recommendation and pressure created by the upline on company management. My God. This was straight in the face, man. Amazing. Kritika, Kirti Taj Puria. Okay. Congratulations, sir. Transform with Saloni, creating a personal brand is the best thing. Amazing. Sumit Paul, what an eye opener. Third phase of network marketing, personal branding. Totally agree to create personal brand. Rajendra ji recalling all that have been through the stages. Okay, so we have a lot of people who are resonating with the things they have been through. You are the brand. That's why I came to Startup Fred. You are superb. Information products. Amazing. Yashwant is saying great insight. Partha is saying mind blowing. Sakash, man. I can say, man, your personal brand is so big right now that even when I'm doing my webinars, a lot of people come and they say, man, I recognize him. इनको तो हम जानते हैं, आपको नहीं जानते थे. So I'm really, really proud to say that today, or probably, even right now or sometime in the future, we will be known. I will be known by the name of my students. So that will be the ultimate achievement, I feel. And this is awesome. Thank you so much for doing what you have done and for being who you have become. Lovely. Let's get to the main point, which is what is Fit India Truth Movement? What is the aim of this movement? What do you aim to achieve? What is the game plan? How does it work out in the India market? What is the future in India in terms of socially as well as economically, and why Fit India Truth Movement?
Yeah. So thank you for asking that question, coach. So for everyone जिनको नहीं पता है, तो Fit India Truth Movement is the movement that I've given, like it's the name that I've given to my movement. And the word Fit India Movement, but the truth is very important. Reason being because I wanted to make sure that the market is aware of the let's put it this way, truth that really needs to come out. And I'll use less controversial words now. But yeah, so coach, इसके दो sides हैं. I mean, of course, because I have been in both the sides, consumer भी रहा हूँ and as a distributor भी मैंने काम किया है. So दो sides coach बहुत important है. First thing, Fit India Truth Movement is ये जो movement है coach, ये इसीलिए चलाया गया है to make people understand the importance of or the power of body. So this particular movement is based on three key principles, coach. If I could talk about it, is one is when it comes to health result, one is hormonal balance, the other is bioavailability, and third being metabolic flexibility. I just feel a bit stuck.
Yeah. I lost about 3 to 4 seconds. So we're talking about metabolic. Yeah, let's start from metabolic again. Yep.
Yeah. Sorry.
I just got stuck when you said metabolic.
Yeah. I just repeat it. So it's based on three keys: strength of the body or the power of the body, which is achieving hormonal balance, improving the bioavailability, and third thing is achieving metabolic flexibility. And what it does is when you are focusing on achieving these three things, suddenly the food that you eat at your home becomes powerful. Because see, the point is, coach, the basic question that needs to be asked, and this is where I think the whole agenda lies, I think, of this Fit India Truth Movement is, and I'll take an example, is that अगर आप एक पेट्रोल पंप से पेट्रोल डलवाते हैं अपनी गाड़ी में एंड आपकी गाड़ी माइलेज नहीं देती है, एंड वही सेम पेट्रोल दूसरे अपनी गाड़ी में डलवाते हैं और उनकी गाड़ी माइलेज देती है, the problem is with the engine of the car, not with the petrol itself. So might as well work on that and then changing the petrol, changing the fuel.
In
right?
fact, one of the things I feel about network marketing education is amazing, by the way, in networking companies.
Yeah.
बट हेल्थ में जो है सिर्फ डाइट 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 एजुकेशन है, उसके अलावा और कोई एजुकेशन नहीं है, क्योंकि एंड में वो डाइट को रिप्लेस करने के लिए क्योंकि प्रोडक्ट बेचना है. सो that is one thing I feel, that there has to be a little more deeper education which is not nutrient or diet focused, whether it's related to supplement or food, it doesn't matter. पर डाइट ही सब कुछ थोड़ी है. I mean, what about metabolism? What about all these other factors that you just mentioned, hormonal, bioavailability and all that.
Coach, कैसा है? So something that I realized being in that industry is, see, lot of when I generate leads nowadays, lot of people they come and ask, sir, is it even कि घर के खाने से results आ सकते हैं? And I'm like, why are you wondering कि ये possible है कि नहीं possible? I mean, the supplements came maybe 30, 40, 50 years back. उसके पहले भी जिंदगी थी ना, खाना तो खा रहे थे बॉस. I mean, ऐसा थोड़ी ना है ये पहली बार काम कर रहे हो सब चीजें. तो मुझे एक चीज समझ में आई,
काम किया मार्केट में. God has also done good work in this field.
exactly coach. So कैसा है coach कि जो सिस्टम होता है, what I realized was कि सिस्टम जो होता है, and be it any company in the market, जो भी न्यूट्रिशन प्रोडक्ट अपने सेल कर रही है, system is not just about having food options or diet. It's about exercise, it's about personal coaching, it's about community, it's about recognition, it's about having that feeling कि कोई तो है मेरा साथ देने के लिए, and I'm part of a larger group, which I realized existed with these products and product based companies, but never with food. Because every time जब भी कोई फूड के से वेट लॉस की बात करता था, what they will assume कि कोई तो डाइटिशियन न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट है तो चार्ट बना के दे देगी and we need to just follow it. But there was no system around it. I realized कि यार that is why people don't believe कि ऐसा possible है. What I did was through Fit India was created a system for food. कि मैंने कहा नहीं यार इसके अगेंस्ट भी सिस्टम हो सकता है. That is why I keep getting those crazy results जो लोग सप्लीमेंट से निकालते हैं, मैं सिर्फ घर के खाने से कर सकता हूँ वो सेम काम.
Wow.
I mean, in fact, my YouTube channel with the same name, Fit India Truth Movement, have got so many results. People, when they see this result, they actually ask कि सर ये सच में प्रोडक्ट से रिजल्ट आया है या सच में खाने से? I was telling बस खाने से आया है, बोल रहा हूँ मैं तुमको अभी. The second thing को जो फिट इंडिया ट्रूथ मूवमेंट जिस कारण से आया is, see, people and every time we were taught in the industry is that कि हेल्थ केयर बहुत एक्सपेंसिव है ना, बहुत ज्यादा एक्सपेंसिव है, राइट? बट माय क्वेश्चन इज, एंड आई विल बी वेरी ब्रूटली ऑनेस्ट कोच, अगर हेल्थ केयर एक्सपेंसिव है तो शेक्स कौन से सस्ते हैं? वेलनेस इज आल्सो नॉट चीप बाय एनी मींस. आई मीन, आप 1000 रुपए की बीपी की गोली खा लीजिए और 15,000 का प्रोडक्ट खाइए तो 14,000 में जो बीपी बढ़ेगा उसको कौन कंट्रोल करेगा? But it is, I mean, the whole story is not completely true. So one of the key things Fit India Truth Movement के through जो हम करना चाह रहे थे was to give people very, very, very economical solution. बहुत economical solution देना चाह रहे थे so that people they don't have to spend like क्या बोलते हैं उनका fortune spend नहीं करना है in order to make sure कि उनका result अच्छा रहे. Because one thing I realized, coach, being in that industry is there are a lot of people who leave products not because they don't love products, only because they don't have money to afford them, and that is why they lose results and they lose their health, and then दिमाग में ये बैठ जाता है कि ये चीज तो होने ही नहीं वाली है मेरे से.
Yeah.
Third thing, coach, which of course was, I was literally, that really got me, I would not say agitated, but got me thinking, why is the food being made villain? I am a food lover. Indian food मुझे बहुत पसंद है, culture बहुत पसंद है, but coach, I realized कि categorically खाने को villain बना दिया है. And there was a very simple question that everybody I think they need to ask themselves is, अगर आपके घर के खाने में नमक तेज कर देंगे तो सबको ही नमक तेज पता चलेगा ना. तो if food was the villain, then everybody should have fallen ill by now. Why is it happening? Not to everyone. एक ही का बाल गिर रहा है, बाकी का नहीं गिर रहा है. एक ही का एनर्जी ड्रॉप है, बाकी का नहीं एनर्जी ड्रॉप है. Why is food doing a partiality? नहीं, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता ना. This was the third thing. And fourth thing, coach, I think this is a alarming situation. Let me put it this way, if I could put it very, very bluntly, is, and I'm not talking about everyone else and I'm not even blaming anybody about it, but if, and this is the question that everybody needs to ask themselves, that if you are working with a product company, are you seriously a health coach or are you actually more educated about the products? Because one of the key things जो सर मेरे को आप मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पे इंटरव्यूज देखोगे तो आपको समझेगा ये चीज के बारे में. The lot of people who complain कि सर कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हो तो नया प्रोडक्ट दे देते हैं, कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हो तो नया प्रोडक्ट दे देते हैं. Nobody is ready to tell कि I'll just may I take a name of one of the interviews that's there on my sir YouTube channel पे है. Her name is Suman Lata. Her name is Suman Lata. And ये मेरे YouTube चैनल पे पड़ा हुआ है कोच. And इस लेडी का जब आप इंटरव्यू सुनेंगे ना तो फर्स्ट 2-3 मिनट्स के अंदर शी टॉक्स अबाउट कि उसको क्रॉनिक कॉन्स्टिपेशन का प्रॉब्लम था, उसको पाइल्स का प्रॉब्लम था, and because of that she was very very worried and suffering from lots of pain. So she had gone to a company and वहां पे प्रोडक्ट उन्होंने यूज किया. They told him 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 products did not give her results, but when she came to my program she got results. Now the point is not that whether she got results or not. Being a health coach, my first approach should have been use the home food, correct your lifestyle, you may get results. If nothing happens, then I might as well suggest you some supplements. But coach, being in that environment or being in that, let's say, nutrition club or whatever it is, I cannot talk about food-based solution. Because if I do, even if I am the most educated coach, even if I am someone who is really, how do you say, well versed with how your health can be improved, I am not anyone because I'm not generating volumes. I need to sell product in order to be the hero of that in that environment. Nobody cares. But अंदर फीलिंग है ना कोच, मेरे को ये सब समझ में आ गया कि मेरे लोग बिना प्रोडक्ट के इतना अच्छा रिजल्ट क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. Why would I bill them 20,000, 30,000 every single month just to make sure that someday I get my Mercedes or someday I get recognized? Maybe there are lots and lots of networkers who work with a really good intention. But coach, Fit India Truth Movement is there just to make sure that everybody gets an affordable solution. And जो लोग coaching सीखना चाहते हैं, they really want to make a mark in the industry, जो सच में लोगों की care करते हैं and जो सच में actually लोगों को result देना चाहते हैं. One thing is for consumer, the other thing is also educating this industry. Boss, use supplements as supplements, not as the main things, because जो उनका काम है वो उनको करना चाहिए. As a coach, I do realize कि supplements का काम supplement जरूरी होता है कभी-कभी, but food का importance खत्म नहीं करना है. ये मुझे coaches को सिखाना भी है. And third thing is, which is my own personal agenda, जो मैंने Fit India Truth Movement के through किया, is to make sure जो coaches नहीं कमा पा रहे हैं network marketing industry में, they are struggling, purchasing volumes, requalifying every single year, have spent their whole, like, how do I say, entire bank balance just to make sure their organization stays with them. I am here to make sure they make income based on their personal brand. I have the system. I'm going to make sure they make income because, how do I say, coach, I know how it feels when there is no income in the house. I have been through that very, very, very bad feeling, which of course I really hope never comes back in my life again. This is the plan, coach. Just gonna make it more.
Plan ensures that coaches can make money every month and client only needs to pay once to get the result with a lifelong membership. Your membership is also lifetime, right?
Exactly.
Lifetime membership. Perfect. Amazing. Stuff. Awesome. Let me just quickly recognize all the people. We got Tikku, we've got Katra Sanjay, Prince, lovely, Zahir, okay, Dr. Kamal Kotwal, Megha, Vandana, Manju, lovely, okay, Niranjan, Kamal Kotwal, Megha again, Sumit Paul again, Rajendra ji again, okay, Mandar, Kirti. Perfect. Awesome. Okay, so great, man. So then what is your message for people who are tired of spending on supplements and coaches who feel stuck in their organizations?
Very, very, very simple message, coach. First thing is
By the way, you're getting a lot of traction on your messaging. Mandar is saying whenever I try to get to the science behind how a particular thing works, company just said don't get into R&D, just push products. Uh, Kirti is saying total monthly budget gets disturbed by so much price products. Um, Zahir is saying yes, people should realize importance of product of food. Malti is saying we're lucky to get insights from achievers like you. Mandar is saying yes, we should also think about income. And Parag is saying Parag is waving, amazing, amazing, awesome. Yeah, please let me know, man. What is the
Yeah.
message?
Coach, the first thing you might be working with a certain company or you might be working on a personal brand. The first thing that you need to ask as a business person is पैसा बन रहा है क्या? The first thing is पैसा बन रहा है क्या? बहुत P&L statement है, तुम्हारा प्रॉफिट ही नहीं बन रहा तो what's the point of doing the business? और तुम बिजनेस कर ही क्यों रहे हो? वॉल्यूम्स होंगे, सब कुछ होगा. Am I making profit or not? That is the first thing. Because even if you are a network marketer, coach, you need to make profit in order to make sure that your team also makes profit. First thing is that. The second thing is you need to ask yourself, जो भी आपके गोल्स हैं, आर दे borrowed goals और योर रियली वही गोल्स हैं आपके लाइफ में? क्या आप स्टेज पर देख को सिर्फ ये इमेजिन कर रहे हैं कि मेरे पास भी एक BMW X सीरीज होनी चाहिए, मेरे पास भी एक जैगुआर होनी चाहिए, और इज इट समथिंग दैट यू रियली वांट? You might have a different answer to this question. Choose your path like that. And third thing, coach, I think the most important thing is build your personal brand, build your own white label program. Because coach, let me put it this way very bluntly, Lehman Brothers भी बंद हो गए थे बॉस, and वो भी 150 years old थे. You cannot be dependent on a company and say कि बॉस मेरा लाइफ सेट हो जाएगा. You never know what might happen. अगर आपका खुद का पर्सनल ब्रांड है, अगर आप खुद कमीशन प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, you are much more secure, you have much more freedom, and जो सर सो कॉल्ड पैसिव इनकम का कॉन्सेप्ट है ना, you can really enjoy that. Reason being, make money through your information product, buy some assets, buy shops, buy houses, enjoy the rent. That's real passive income. सोते सोते आ रही है ना. What's the point of thinking कि मुझे हर महीने प्रोडक्ट खरीदना है, हर महीने ये सब करना है? अगर आप स्टक हैं, अगर आप ऑलरेडी नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं तो आई थिंक यू ऑलरेडी स्टक गोल्ड. यू डोंट नीड टू चेंज एनीथिंग. बट अगर आप ऑलरेडी एक लीडर भी हैं, यू रियली वांट योर टीम टू स्टे, हैव अ मॉडल जहां पर वो पैसे कमा रहे हैं. दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. कोच, योर एंड मच ग्रेटिट्यूड टू यू. आपका मॉडल अलाउ करता है किसी कोच को फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट होने के लिए, विच इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. मेरा 5,000 वॉल्यूम हो रहा है, 10,000 वॉल्यूम हो रहा है, 15,000 वॉल्यूम हो रहा है, पर मेरे जेब में अगर पैसे नहीं बच रहे हैं ना, तो मैं बिजनेस तो नहीं कर रहा हूँ. कुछ भी कर रहा हूँ पर बिजनेस तो नहीं कर रहा. व्हाटएवर इट इज. तो दिखाने के लिए भले ही मेरे को स्टेज पे बुलाया जाता है, तालियां बजती हैं, बट बस बिजनेस तो नहीं है वो. तो you might as well focus on profitability, you might as well focus on financial independence, and you might as well really focus on building assets जो आपको पैसिव इनकम दे सकते हैं. एंड अगर आप ऑलरेडी सक्सेसफुल नेटवर्क मार्केटर्स हैं, तो अगर आपकी टीम को आपको ग्रो करना है, इफ यू रियली वांट कि बिजनेस आपका बहुत बड़ा हो जाए आगे चल के, देन यू डेवलप अ मॉडल जहां वो पैसे ज्यादा कमा रहे हैं रादर देन वॉल्यूम पे फोकस कर रहे हैं. वॉल्यूम इज अ बाई प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मेकिंग मनी. मैं पैसे ज्यादा कमाऊंगा तो बाई डिफॉल्ट वॉल्यूम खरीदूंगा ना. कुछ इट्स अ वेरी नॉर्मल थिंग. मेरे पास अगर महीने के 5 लाख रुपए आएंगे तो 1 लाख रुपए मैं खर्चा भी कर दूंगा, वॉल्यूम में तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा मुझे. बट अगर पैसे ही नहीं बन रहे हैं तो कोई गेम ही नहीं है, फिर तो कोई गेम है ही नहीं. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज पैसे बन रहे हैं क्या? दैट इज इट.
Awesome, my brother. Awesome, awesome. Before we recognize the last of the commenters, anything you would like to say about our Galactica program, that would be amazing. And yeah, over to you, man.
Okay. I don't know if so I like taking polls, and if there are people who would like to make a crore, then you might as well type in the comment box. I don't know, because I'm going to tell you something which is very, very important. ये कुछ मुझे बहुत लेट रियलाइज हुआ, because I was made my share of mistakes, and with you teaching है फिर भी नहीं सुना है, आपको भी पता है, मेरे को भी पता है. I could quote this a crore, I think a year and a half back, but yeah. So first thing, coach, आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि आपको कौन सी चीजें करनी है और आपको किसी और से कौन सी चीजें करानी है. अगर आपको ये नहीं पता तो बड़ा इनकम पॉसिबल नहीं है. आप सारे काम खुद से करके आप बड़ा इनकम नहीं कमा सकते. यू नीड टू, इतना स्मार्ट आपको होना चाहिए कि आउटसोर्स करना आना चाहिए. एज अ कोच और एज अ बिजनेस पर्सन, माई मेन जॉब इज टू मेक सेल्स, माई मेन जॉब इज टू मेक माई कस्टमर सक्सेसफुल. ये दो ही काम है कोच मेरे. मेक सेल्स, मेक माई कस्टमर सक्सेसफुल, मेक सेल्स, मेक माई कस्टमर सक्सेसफुल, मेक सेल्स, मेक माई कस्टमर सक्सेसफुल. इसके अलावा जो भी है, फेसबुक एड्स, टेक्निकलिटीज, ये वो एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा, अगर मैं ये सब चीजों पे ध्यान दूंगा कोच, तो मेन थिंग तो है ही नहीं ना. जब टॉप लाइन रेवेन्यू ही नहीं है तो फिर क्या फायदा ये सब चीजें आने का मेरे को. द फर्स्ट एंड द फॉरमोस्ट थिंग इज, आपका काम सेल्स पे फोकस करना है, आपका काम अपने सिस्टम को इंप्रूव करना है, जो इंटरनल जो भी आप काम कर रहे हैं, एंड आपका काम अपने कस्टमर को सक्सेसफुल बनाना है. इसके अलावा कुछ भी कोच, इफ यू आर स्मार्ट एनफ, एंड अगर रियली मैं आपको अपने आप, आई रियली फील गैलेक्टिका में कोच वही लोग बेट लगाते हैं जो खुद पे विश्वास करते हैं. इट इज बिकॉज आपका प्रोग्राम तो काम करता है, एवरीबडी नोज. अभी इतने साल से कर रहा है तो व्हाट्स द बिग डील, तो हम सबको पता है. बट दोज हु बेट आर द वंस हु रियली बिलीव इन देमसेल्व्स. इट इज नॉट अबाउट बिलीविंग इन यू. आपके पास तो ऑलरेडी बहुत सारी सक्सेस स्टोरीज हैं. अगर आपको अपने आप पे विश्वास है, दैट यू एंड विश्वास कि आप रियली में अच्छा काम करने वाले हो, you are really worried about your customers, उनकी सक्सेस के बारे में, you are really want कि आपका पर्सनल ब्रांड बिल्ड करना चाहिए, then Galactica is the deal for you, because everything else is taken care by you and your team. मैं अपना मेन काम करता हूं, एंड यू नो मैं कितना ज्यादा टेक्नोलॉजी से डरता हूं. आई एम द लास्ट पर्सन जिसको टेक्नोलॉजी से प्यार है. आई एम द लास्ट पर्सन जिसको फेसबुक एड से प्यार है. आई एम द लास्ट पर्सन जिसको एड चलाने में मजा आता है. बिल्कुल नहीं आता, बिल्कुल भी नहीं आता. बट समथिंग जो मेरे को मेरी कंसल्टिंग बैकग्राउंड ने बताया था, इसकी सब कुछ खुद पे लेके नहीं बैठना है बॉस. तो अगर आप में से कोई ऐसा है जो करोड़ कमाना चाहता है, देन यू माइट एज वेल गो टू गैलेक्टिका. रीजन बीइंग, आउटसोर्स द सो कॉल्ड जो चीजें आपका कोर कॉम्पिटेंसी नहीं है, एंड फोकस ऑन योर कोर कॉम्पिटेंसी, so that you can make a bigger income and a bigger impact. Honestly speaking, coach, if I could put that bluntly, मैंने आपको गैलेक्टिका के लिए जितना पैसा दिया था, I think I have made like, I don't know, 30-40x तो मैं उसका कर चुका हूँ already. Doesn't matter, अब फायदा ही फायदा है.
This year the goal is to do the 1 crore within the year. That's the
Exactly. So, smartness से game खेलना है coach, and Galactica is a smart decision. It's सीधे outrightly smart decision. Nothing else.
Awesome. I'm really loving the fact how my software is catching my face in the most embarrassing of positions and then freezing my face. एक भी अच्छा pose नहीं freeze किया उसने. But great, we've got Pratima who's saying.
May I add something?
Yes.
May I add something?
Yes.
I think one thing that people do not realize, जो गैलेक्टिका में I think मैं बोलना भूल गया, is the kind of support that you get. Coach, मैं कुछ लोगों के नाम लेना चाहूंगा, if you allow me. Of course, yes, being there, 100%. Then there is Dr. Kamal, Ritu ma'am there, sir being there, Saloni being there, I think Tushar being there. Coach, when I went through my Geeta ma'am being there, है ना? When I went through my hardest of times, ये लोग थे कोच जिन्होंने मुझे वहां से बाहर निकाला है. योर 1 crore सक्सेस कैन नॉट बी योर अलोन सक्सेस. ये हो ही नहीं सकता. इट्स अ टीम गेम. गैलेक्टिका इज अ मेजर टीम गेम. वो हमको लगता है कि हम सब अलग अलग काम कर रहे हैं, बट दैट्स नॉट इवन द केस. मुझे ही पता है that how these people have come forward and really brought me out of that zone. Otherwise मैंने तो क्विट कर लिया होता. honestly speaking, मैं तो जॉब देखना खराब हो गया. I might as well go back to the job. गेम चेंजिंग है गैलेक्टिका. गेम चेंजिंग है गैलेक्टिका.
Awesome. Lovely. We've got thank you so much, dear. Thank you so much. And I think yes, I don't know if Tushar is here, but yes, very much, Dr. Kamal and Saloni, and I don't think Dr. Geeta is here. But yes, let's just quickly recognize all the people who are hanging on with the comments. Amazing result without supplement, Pratima Singh. We got Kirti, lucky to get connected with you. We got Sumit Paul. AI India is holding AI Impact Summit. We are holding Right Food Impact Summit. Amazing coach Nandana. पैसा बना रहे हैं क्या? Amazing, amazing. Personal brands have more reliability than others. Kirti, we've got Zahir saying exactly. Uma Maheshwar, very true. You need to be independent. Cash, become the cash machine yourself. Kamal Kotwal, we've got Arohi, welcome. Awesome, sir. Okay, we've got Kirti saying with reliability. You also get respect from society. MPTY Rajat Sinha, thank you so much, Zahir. Kamal Kotwal, crore. पते की बात, पैसे बना रहे हैं क्या? Oh my God, man, you hit like a एकदम धुरंधर मूवी के डायलॉग्स की तरह फेमस होने वाला है लग रहा है मुझे. सुमित पॉल, क्रोर, कोच नंदना के डेलीगेट योर वर्क. Kirti, yes, very true. Customer successful sales, and you are a real personal brand. Bharti is saying, true. Rajendra, personal brand is the guarantee for crores. Galactica is the super vehicle. Uma Maheshwar clapping. Partha, what a confession. Salute. Kamal Kotwal, Galactic Gang rocks. Zahir Ahmed, awesome. Sumit Paul, superb wisdom shared today. Kamal Pathania, yeah, Galactica. Okay, Colonel Kamal is also here. Amazing work done by you. Thank you both. Thanks a lot. Lovely, lovely. So with that, let's hit. Please definitely go ahead and visit Fit India Truth Movement, and please sign up for the next Galactica showcase, which is startupfrat.club/Galactica. And with that, this is Dr. Rajat and Akash ji signing off. Thank you very much, Akash, for your time over here and for the education you have provided. This was mind blowing, and I had already informed my community. This is going to be less of technical and intellectual information. This is going to be more like the carpet being, taken from under the feet, and you have lived up to every single, moment and word of it. Thank you so much.
Can you share something?
Yes,
quick thing.
Absolutely.
I just made 8,000 while talking to you on interview.
Oh my God. And this is all profit. This is not being split with the company.
See, the point being, people say you can only generate passive income with products. I said, no, see, I'm talking to you and I'm generating income. So it happens. काम करता है, boss. Program काम करता है.
Lovely, dear. All right, man. With that, let's see you guys on the other side. And I'm holding 2 thumbs up, but my camera is a little glitchy. So there we go. All right, dear. See you, man. Bye bye. See you guys. We'll just end the stream now.